about it. Hey, 500, your dog in the hog yard, cruising his Cobra Slim Build 29. It's all about that Slim Jim technology in your radio dog in the hog yard gone.
Hey, dog, Coon Dog in the hog yard. You got it going on too, man. I know you slow key. I know you slow key because all I heard was a bunch of ash and trash, a big old train wreck, and then boom, that big old mall came in there and said, you slow key, 500, I'm slow key. That's what you said, man. Well, I tell you what I'm doing. I'm rocking this dog on Suburban, man. I'm sitting here running bounce back stuff. I got something in the back, just cruising. I got these like this Coon Dog, that's what I got going on. I watch these videos going on, dancing all over the place. Hello, Mr. Coon Dog, in the yard, 500, hard rock and Suburban, yes it is. A bass killing mobile with no key-out time. Hello, Coon Dog, hard yard, 500, look at that, come on.
Hey, 500, man, and I got it all when you said it all, my friend, no doubt about it. And I do have a worldwide video gate rolling right about now, man, to let you know what that Suburban's really doing, man. 500, man, that dog plugger is stroking and you ain't joking, no doubt about it. Hey, 500, you just got to get on YouTube and go to them Hog Yard Productions. Hey, 500, go to YouTube and type in Hog Yard Productions. And I'll go ahead and post this daggone thing up there. You can see what that Suburban's really doing around my hog yard. Hey, 500, tell them boys it's a Cobra 29. A Cobra 29 Slim Build technology. I'll see you. Bye. Bye.
Right on. I got it all, man. Hey, Coon Dog, I got it all. You're putting it on, man. I sure know. No doubt about it.